Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 5 of our healthy breakfast series. And today we are making a delicious and popular breakfast dish, poha. First, we will chop some vegetables and wash the flattened rice, also known as poha, and set it aside in a bowl. Next, in a pan, heat some oil. Add a teaspoon of jeera, ajwain, and mustard seeds. Once they start popping, add finely chopped potatoes and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add green chilies. Add onions, capsicum, and saute them until the onions turn golden brown. If you like, you can add some raw peanuts and roast them along with the vegetables for about 2-3 minutes. Now add tomatoes and cook for about another 2-3 minutes. Sprinkle in some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper, and mix it all together. Now gently mix in the washed poha, ensuring all the spices coat the rice evenly. Finally, squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top and cover it for 2-3 minutes. Your quick and tasty poha is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it with a cup of tea. So give this a try and start your day with a refreshing breakfast. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more delicious recipes.